Hi, my name is Ernest, and in this video tutorial, I am quickly going to show you how to use Ajax Search Pro to live search and filter the Blocksy Advanced Post widget. So, for this setup, you are going to need the Blocksy companion, and I'm also using the Blocksy theme. I'm actually not sure if this is required, but I think not. Because the Blocksy companion, I think, is the one that contains the advanced posts widget. Okay, so to start it off, let's start with Ajax Search Pro. Let's create a new search bar by clicking on Ajax Search Pro. Here, the search form name, I just type in search, click add, and to access the settings, go to click on this gear icon right there. Again, what I'm gonna do is just deselect the pages. All I wanna have is posts as a result, and save the settings. And in this case, this is all there is what you need from Ajax Search Pro. Now we go to the pages and create a new page. I'm gonna call this Blocksy. And first off, I'm gonna add in Ajax Search Pro module here. With the default settings, we want the search bar, and this is the search. It should render. There we go. And the second one is we're gonna add the Blocksy. Is the advanced post? Yep, there we go. Advanced posts. I'm just gonna choose like a pattern, like something really simple. Maybe this one. This is like, I think it's perfectly fine. And click on the, where is it? I'm gonna have to go up and find the advanced posts. If you have struggle finding it, you can just click on this, and you can easily select the block. And there is a new setting which wasn't there before, which is called the live search target. Here we're just going to select Ajax, like the search bar that we created, and don't get worried, it's going to add like a new CSS class, and please don't remove it. It's really required for Ajax Search Pro to work. So when you deselect C, it just adds it and removes it, but this is necessary. So what I'm gonna do is just publish this, and we should be done. So if I start to type stuff, it does work. It's that simple. This is one of the simplest integrations, I believe. So yeah, this is all there is to it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you don't have an Ajax Search Pro license yet, well, what are you waiting for? If you have any questions or any queries, links in the description below. Thank you again for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.